Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal Limited Account Easy Guide. Start by checking the exact reason for the limitation in your account center, then gather ID, proof of address, and transaction evidence to submit. Be concise and truthful when explaining disputed payments or account activity. Use screenshots and labeled files to avoid confusion. If escalation is needed, request a review and reference any case numbers from prior chats or emails. Begin by following PayPal's on-screen instructions step by step, starting with the documentation upload portal. Ensure your ID matches your account name and that proof of address is recent and legible. When submitting evidence for a transaction, include dates, amounts, and context to make your case clear. Stay patient but persistent and track your case number so you can reference it during follow-ups with support. In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal Limited Account Easy Guide. Quick recommendation. I want to mention a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with getting your finances working smoothly after a PayPal hiccup. If you like the tips, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch out for common mistakes that delay reinstatement, like submitting blurry scans or mismatched names. Never try to evade a limitation by opening new accounts, since that often triggers stricter reviews. Keep your communication consistent and factual when describing transactions or resolving disputes. If your initial submission is rejected, correct the specific issues noted rather than resubmitting the same materials, and maintain polite contact with support for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.